In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user on Planoly. Navigating the digital marketing world can sometimes feel like trying to find your way through a labyrinth. But fear not, today we're going to tackle one such task that might seem daunting at first, but is quite straightforward once you know the steps: adding a user on Planoly. Planoly is a fantastic tool for planning and managing your social media content, so let's dive right into how you can bring more hands on deck to streamline your social media strategies. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Planoly's website. This is your gateway to a more organized social media management experience. Once you're there, take your mouse and hover over the login button, a small action that leads to a world of social media planning potential. Clicking on Social Planner from the drop-down menu is your next move. This is where the real magic begins. Planoly's Social Planner is designed to give you a bird's eye view of your content strategy, making adding a user an integral part of leveraging its full potential. Now it's time to log in. Fill out your login information on the page that follows. This small step is a big leap towards expanding your team's capabilities on Planoly. Remember, those fields are not just boxes to input text, they are your keys to unlock Planoly's powerful features. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to Planoly's Social Content Planner. This is where your content springs to life, allowing for meticulous planning and execution. You're going to want to make yourself comfortable here. After all, this platform is about to become your go-to for all things social media management. Now to the task at hand, adding a user. Look towards the lower left corner and click on your profile. This area is not just a placeholder for your picture, it's your control panel for various settings and options, one of which is the golden feature we're focusing on today. Upon clicking your profile, you'll notice an option that says Manage Social Sets. This is where Planoly starts to reveal its collaborative nature. Managing social sets is crucial for a team that aims to curate cohesive and impactful content across various platforms. In the Manage Social Sets section, you'll notice 3 dots that might seem inconspicuous at first glance. However, clicking on these dots is your next step towards adding a new user. This action opens up a realm of additional settings that allow you to manage your Planoly account in ways that tailor it to your team's needs. Within this new menu, look for the option labelled Manage Team Members. Clicking here will take you to the core of today's task. It's the gateway to transforming your Planoly experience from a solo journey to a collaborative venture. Now, it's crucial to note that adding a user is a feature available to upgraded accounts. If you find yourself at this step without the option to add a user, it might be time to consider upgrading your account. It's an investment in your social media strategy that allows for more hands-on on deck, which can be pivotal in managing and scaling your online presence. If your account is all set and upgraded, the option to add a user will be available to you. This is where you can invite team members to join you in planning, analyzing, and executing your social media strategy. Adding a user is more than just granting them access to the platform. It's inviting them to collaborate, share ideas, and contribute to your social media vision. Throughout this process, remember that Planoly is not just a tool, but a partner in your social media journey. Each step, from logging in to adding a user, is designed to enhance your planning and execution process. By adding a team member, you're expanding your creative horizons and opening up new possibilities for your content strategy. To recap, we've walked through how to navigate to Planoly's website, log in and maneuver through the platform to the Manage Social Sets section. There we discovered how to access the options for managing team members and ultimately how to add a new user to your plan. Remember, the power of social media management often lies in collaboration, and by adding a new user on Planoly, you're setting your team up for success. This wraps up our guide on adding a user on Planoly. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to expand your team and take your social media management to the next level. Go ahead, invite your team, and start creating content that captivates and converts. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Until next time, happy planning.